So good day. If you are new and you don't subscribe, please click on the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Now let's take a look at our Euro USD for the 30th of August. We want to see where our price will very much likely move from. And before we actually get started, I've done weekly analysis on our Euro USD. You can go and watch it and try and see where our price will be moving for this week. Now start with our daily time frame. We can all see the full trend. It is actually a downward trend, a bearish move. And also notice that our price is below our 10 period moving average, right? We all can see that once our price has hit this our 10 period moving average, we are expecting a drop on our Euro USD. So we are very much expecting a drop on our Euro USD. But before you actually get a drop, you would have to see some move, and to be able to predict that move, we have to see it on our 4-hour time frame. We all can see this our 4-hour time frame. It is price is actually ranging within this our 4-hour time frame. We all can see that once our price comes to this our resistance level, it actually drops. It comes to this our resistance level, it drops, and now it has hit this our resistance level and it is dropping. So very much likely we will be seeing a drop on our Euro USD. So let's see if we can get the drop to this low on our Euro USD for the 30th of August. Then we will see our price rally up again to our resistance level. So that is exactly what we will very much likely be seeing on our 4-hour time frame. By the way, our price is actually ranging within this area. So one thing is that we should actually range with our price on our Euro USD. So once our price drops to this low, I think the low of about 0.9900, if our price can come to the level of 0.99100, then we very much likely see a bullish move on our Euro USD again to tap this our resistance level. See our price breaks below this low. See our price breaks below this our candlestick wick we are seeing here. If our price can break below this our candlestick we are seeing here, then our price can now start going bearish on our Euro USD. If not, we would likely be ranging within this our key level area for the day. And let's see our 1-hour time frame. So see our 1-hour time frame. I think our 1-hour time frame is now starting to give us that bearing push we are all aiming for. By the way, see it. This was actually an impulse move. We are actually on a correction on our 1-hour time frame. So we are expecting another impulse move again on our 1-hour time frame. Possibly we get a correction to this level here, because this is actually a key level here we should be seen. So this level here, this is actually a weak, good amount of weak here. So if our price can actually break below it, then we'll see our price come to test it, test the area. Then we'll actually see another drop again, then a test of this area, then a drop again, which will take out this our lows. And if our price breaks below our weak, we've just talked about possibly this low here, if our price can break below this low here, then we are now on a bearish move. Else we would actually climb up again to our resistance level we are all aiming for on our 1-hour time frame. And that is it for the day on our Euro USD.